Come here. Does it come with lights? These are. Come here, my guy.
Oh, we're doing this.
Yes, we're
What's
doing
up,
this.
guys?
What's up, guys?
Here, let me get in front of you. That's where I'll be most of this time.
So we got a little bet going. As you guys know, or don't know, I'm getting rid of the M3. And Ziso's going to keep his M3. And I'm going to do my best to get back into some form of EcoBoost vehicle.
We get another Mustang, baby.
Another Mustang into the Parker Performance stable. However, we have a bet going that... Are we going to do the 1,000 first or stock for stock first?
Whatever you want. I think we do both.
Okay.
Add more fun to it.
So the first thing we're going to do is take both cars, the way that they sit, take them to the firm, and see who the better driver is at the current level that the cars are at. We're also going to invite out Scott Johnson, because apparently he's the driving Yoda. So he's going to come out and... Should he drive both cars?
Sure.
He's going to drive both cars.
And his Miata.
And his Miata, yeah.
So he disappoints us.
And then we both get $1,000 of our own money to modify the cars, come back to the firm, and re-race. We have a poll. I'm going to include the link down below. Whoever you think is going to win,
You gotta
vote.
hurry though, because there's only like 5 days left.
5 days left to vote.
Five, not 4.
And then, should we do anything special on that?
Nah, they got more to come. It's like
More
a
to come.
2-minute video. Let's get it.
Right.
Peace out.